everyone? If you're familiar with the channel and you back for the new year, the new channel layout and what I plan to do this year with videos in the channel, thank you. If you're new to this, thanks for joining. I'm Droop. Hope to bring you some good content that you'll enjoy this year. Today's video is going to be talking about my 2019 Road King Special. It is a new to me bike. I got a good deal on it, was able to make the deal happen. My wife actually made the deal happen. She bought the bike for me as a Christmas gift. If you see what's in the background, you're probably thinking, Droop, that's not a 2019 Road King, dude. Well, no, it's not. It's actually my 2007 Harley Softail Custom. This is a bike I've owned for about 4 years now. It's what most people know me for, especially in the area. I've gone on many long trips with it, as well as short trips, done a lot of ride videos. If you look at my channel, the videos that you see were done on that bike. The reason that bike is in this part of the video is just to kind of show that the bike's still here. It's not going anywhere. I will not get rid of that bike. But anyway, we're outside, obviously. It's about 46 degrees today. It is New Year's Eve. Last year on New Year's Day I did a ride video. I was hoping to be able to do that again this year with the new bike, but the weather doesn't look like it's going to be very cooperative. Temperature's supposed to drop pretty good tonight. They're even calling for a chance of snow. Now we've had chances of snow the last few days and haven't had any, but it's going to be cold. I think the high for tomorrow is like 23 degrees. Today is actually a decent day. I would ride in this, other than the wind. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it is pretty windy today. That makes things a little interesting when you're trying to video. But we'll see how that goes. We may go for a short ride just up the road and back. But anyway, let's get into the bike. Alright, now this is my 2019 Road King Special. Yes, it's dirty as well. I've been riding it as much as I can, depending on weather and road conditions. But it's got the 114 M8. It's got the extended saddlebags, or stretch saddlebags, stretched rear fender. Now that's factory. They're not aftermarket. It's got, I believe these are 12-inch apes, the meat hooks. I like them. I do wish they were a little taller, but it is what it is. I'm going to run them for now. I may change them after a while, but for now it is nice. I am still getting this bike set up for me and learning it. I don't know how well the camera picks up, but 29,694 miles are on it. I have put 210 miles on it since I got it less than a month ago. Since I got it, I have put axle nut covers on the front. I changed the seat nut or bolt and put that cover on the chrome tab that holds the seat on. He had a bunch of stickers on it when I bought it. I got all those off, got it cleaned up and buffed where you can't tell where the stickers were. Of course, it's so dirty now you can't even see that. It does have Reinhardt exhaust on it. Which I like the Reinhardts, but they're a little too quiet. And you heard the 07 Softail. That's the main reason I started it up. Was just for a comparison. I like the way that Softail sounds. Now, before I get blasted in the comments, yes, I know that's a 96 cubic inch twin cam. It sounds different than an M8. I know. But I will like, what my point is I like a bike that has some sound to it. This one is a bit quieter. As you can see, or hear. Yes, it's been sitting for about a week. Like I said, it's cold. It only ran long enough to move it from the carport to the side yard here, and that's not very far. But it sounds good. I just want it to be a little louder. I've got a couple of ideas. I've had some suggestions made to me. I'm trying to figure out exactly what I want to do. Now, this bike, I do have a lot of plans for it. It will be changed. There's going to be a lot of stuff changed on it or added to it. I'm not building a performance bagger. It's going to stay blacked out. As a matter of fact, everything on this bike that is chrome will either be changed to black or gold. When I'm done, the bike will be black and gold. I have an idea and a picture in my head that I want to accomplish with this bike. There will be some performance parts added eventually. But again, I'm not building a performance bagger per se. I just want it to be to perform a little better than stock. But anyway, this is my 2019 Road King Special. Thank you for watching. I hope y'all enjoy this type of content, and you will see install videos as well. I think I'm going to hook a camera to the bike and go for a quick ride. I'll take y'all along with me. Be back shortly. All right, guys. Well, now we're on my cell phone videoing because the GoPro decided to die. But I just wanted to take you on a quick ride. I'm actually down here at one of the public boat landings right down from the house. Yeah, just a quick little ride. I don't know when the GoPro battery died, so I don't know how much of that I actually captured, but hopefully it caught most of it. But again, 2019 Road King Special. For Nameless 13. For anybody who is a House MD fan, you'll understand why. And like I said, thanks for watching. Look forward to more videos on this bike, because I do plan on doing a whole lot more. And why won't it let me switch the camera around again? Well, anyway, so look for more videos on this bike. Stay tuned this year on the channel. Things are going to be a lot different than what they have been in the past. I do plan on doing more installs, rides, and bring you coverage from rallies and motorcycle events that I go to throughout the year. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.